And initially, because of that coconut water, it's actually going to be a little bit runny. That's okay. How we're going to thicken this sauce is by a technique called reduction. Basically, that means just boil the water out of it. And it does two things. One, it helps make the sauce thicker, and two, it actually concentrates the flavor. What's nice now too is as this reduces, we're actually giving this some time for all those flavors to start to meld together. So often we want something that's quick and easy, and that makes sense when we're pretty busy, but do know that the more time we give a dish to meld all those flavors together, the more flavorful it's going to be. And that's where restaurant cooking and home cooking can be a little different, is oftentimes they have whole staffs that can build this dish in pieces and cook it for long periods of time. We'll teach you throughout this course techniques on how to, again, get flavor into your food quickly, but also show you some techniques on how to get to that restaurant level quality of flavor, if that's also what you're looking for. Sometimes you want to do that, especially around the holidays or if you have guests over. Nice.